Hi guys, welcome to another video from Creative Tap. This video is going to investigate one of the narrative theories used in media and storytelling. The first theory we're going to look at, and which will be in this video, is Todorov's narrative theory. So Tzvetan Todorov was a Bulgarian French philosopher who developed what we now call Todorov's theory. His theory suggests that many narratives use 5 stages in order to tell a story. These stages are as follows: equilibrium, disruption of equilibrium, recognition of disruption, attempt to repair the damage, and return to equilibrium. There we go. Now I'm going to look at each of these with an example, and we're going to use The Lion King, hopefully quite a well-known film. So The Lion King film starts showing a new lion cub prince, Simba, being born. We then see a series of events showing Simba growing up as a cub, so fairly normal for the plot, for the characters. Nothing yet has happened out of the ordinary from the character's point of view at least. So this is equilibrium, where everything is normal, it's set in the scene, it's set in what is normality. Next, Simba gets stuck in a stampede and his father Mufasa tries to save him and ends up getting trampled and sadly dies. I think we can all agree this was a hard moment in cinema for us all. Simba is then made to feel guilt and responsibility for the event that took place by Scar, and his uncle tells him to run away, and to Scar's presumption, Simba is killed by hyenas and Scar is left in charge to become king. This shows a disruption of normality and therefore disrupts the character's happiness. So this is disruption of the equilibrium. Basically, it's when things go wrong. It's when the everyday normal goes wrong, because Scar then goes back to rule, and then everything's not right, everything's not good. So after having run away, Simba is now living with Timon and Pumbaa. He is then confronted by Nala, a childhood friend, while she is out hunting for food for the Pride, while Scar is still king at Pride Rock, in now a very much corrupt setup. Nala confronts Simba upon finding him and informs him of the corruption. After some thought and advice from Rafiki, Simba finally realises he must go back to Pride Rock to overthrow Scar and take back Pride Rock and restore normality and happiness. Therefore, Simba has recognised the disruption, which is the third plot point, recognition of disruption. And this is what Simba does, he recognises what he must now do. Simba returns to Pride Rock, and through the aid of various characters, he battles the hyenas and Scar to take back his home and restore the throne which is rightfully his. This shows stage 4 of Todorov's theory, an attempt to repair the damage, so an attempt to get things back to normality. Finally, Scar's overthrown and killed when the hyenas turn on him. After Scar's overthrown, we see the film come to an end and Simba takes back his rightful place on the throne and the pride is restored, which shows the final stage of Todorov's theory, new equilibrium, when the problem has been resolved and everything turns to normality. So hopefully you now have an understanding of how Todorov's theory works. You have a normal case of events, your equilibrium, disruption to the equilibrium, recognition of the disruption, an attempt to repair the damage, and finally a new equilibrium. So when you're looking to construct a narrative for filmmaking or any other medium, you can use these 5 stages to map out the progression of your narrative. One thing to note is this theory is not always used. An example will be Avengers Infinity War. That film is split up into Infinity War and Endgame, so the theory may well stretch across the two, but certainly not just the first film. So cheers for tuning in, I hope you found this useful. Leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more content, and cheers.